Hello everybody, let's do a get ready with me in Munnar with the products that I tried and tested to stay put all while having food, battling the dirt and oil that comes with traveling. This is the look for day 1 of Munnar trip. I've tried a bunch of new beauty products and if they stand the test of time and travel today, I will show it to you tomorrow when I get ready. Hello everybody, good morning. Let's get ready, shall we? Yesterday, as I said, I tried out a bunch of new products and some of them really stood the test of time. So let me share that with you. And also in general, let's do a travel get ready with me. These are few of the things that I travel with and these are my ride or die. And I've just brought it with me, so it just goes on to show how essential they are for travel and how versatile they are as well, because some of it I also use for my office wear. Firstly, going in with Excella Moisturizer. It's a great moisturizer for oily skin. I don't take a lot. This is a lot for me. I tap off the rest back. But yeah, the weather here is really nice at the moment. And I'm sure as the day progresses, it will get hot. But still, it's better than Bangalore. In the morning, I just took it slow, read a book, and now I'm all showered up. Then the next step is sunscreen of Fixter. I recently did a collaboration with them, but that was for a different product. They just sent this one ahead just for me to try on, and let me tell you, it is so absolutely awesome, especially for oily skin. It is tinted, so it will give you a little bit of shade, but really nice texture. I usually take 3 fingers of this. Look, it just literally disappears into your skin. Next up is a Pond's BB cream. The shade range is shit, but it just does the job for me. And I'm one of the very few skin tones that fit into their shade range. So just a little bit under the eye and on the hyperpigmentation around my mouth.
Bombastic side eye.
Then I'm going in with my busted L'Oreal Infallible powder. The undertones of it do not match with my skin tone, but it's travel friendly, unlike the Maybelline powder that I love and adore. So this is the one that I got not out of want but convenience. So now coming to the star product of this segment. This is Etude House Lip Oil and this is Mars Lip Drip something. Right now I'm going to apply this one because we're planning to go on a picnic right here in the stay itself, and later on when I'll be heading out, I'll be applying this and I'll show you the shade then. I don't know why my energy is a bit low. Is it because there are people right there which is bugging me? But see, such light shade. You can also put it on your cheeks, but since I have oily skin, I find that to be too oily for me. But this one works better as a cheek tint as well. This is Peachy Drip shade, but I have another shade of it called Cranberry, which looks really good on the cheek. This is the other shade. This is more pinkish, which is why I prefer it for today's look as a cheek tint. Just going to take a little bit on my palm, and don't try and go directly on your cheek because that's going to leave a very weird stain. See, just a light flush of color is all I am looking for in my travel makeup. Just blending it in properly. This is the final look. So now we are heading out, and as I've told you, this is the lip shade that I've applied for today. So that was the look, guys, and even after the whole day of having fun, you can see that the lip tint faded so beautifully and overall the look still looks fresh and not worn out. So hope you guys found this video helpful. Until next time, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.